makes those. Now, this is a 3D printed scaled replica of a real artifact from Roman time. The real lion is like 20 times larger than this, so this is a scaled replica. And can you tell me the material? If you could just not the wooden stand. The wooden stand. This is the artifact. So if you could tell me the material, I'd be thankful. So what is it? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
This paper.
Paper?
Standard office paper, A4 paper, and like this, a standard paper. Normal paper, and this is made out of normal paper. This paper. Now, regular printers like that one and that one, they print with plastics like this. This plastic. But this one prints with paper. This is this is normal paper. This is what makes it so unique. And this one, this is also paper. See? This is paper, and we have drilled a hole in it, and you can see the white sheets. You see the white sheets? So this is a very unique technology, and this is why this is a very expensive device. This is why they don't have that much in the world, but this prints with paper, and it prints in color as well. So this is a very interesting device, and it can print small, it can print large objects. You can see here the sheets. You see the sheets?
Yeah.
So those are the A4 sheets. So how it works? It gets a sheet from here, it puts it on the working plate, then it has a special Wolfram knives. It cuts through the paper very gently, and then it applies glue. Where it has to make the solid object, it applies glue all over the surface area, and on the remaining space it only puts small drops. And when you get the object out of the printer, you just basically get a bunch of sheets, and then you start with the tweezers to remove the excessive paper, and then you get the model inside of it. And it's already printed and ready to be exhibited. So our project was to develop 2 exhibitions with such things. And this is an example. So this is the camera. You put the batteries.
And you send.
And you send it flying. Now, the usual what they use the drone for is for aerial photo and video.
Yeah.
But what we're using the drone for is to create, using photogrammetry, 3D models. So we have the drone fly around, let's say, a building like this one. So we have it fly around the building, take pictures at different height, so at different altitude, and from different angles. And then all those pictures get into computers, and they get processed, and you get the 3D model of the building. And when you have this 3D model, you can clean it up with different softwares. You can improve it, and then you can print it with a printer and have a miniature building, 3D model of that building in front of you. So this is another application of the drones that we are exploring and using. Those are the most powerful graphic processors from the Tesla line of NVIDIA video cards. Now, just to compare it, currently there are some dirt and whatever, we have to clean it again because it's a lot of people get in and out, and they get sometimes like this dusty and so on. But to compare it, they have graphic processors which have like more than 5,000 calculation cores. And the normal video cards, even the best gaming video cards right now have around 3,000. So those cards are more powerful than the best gaming video card. You can put cinematographic camera on it. So with this camera they have made Hollywood pictures, Hollywood movies like Harry Potter and whatever. They have also Pop 1/6 camera, and you can put this camera on the big drone and you can make pictures with it, yes. So it's not only the small drones, we have several different drones which are doing lots of things. We have the super servers here that can modulate that signal. So if you change the amplitude, you see how this changes into the corresponding spectrum. Then when you change the frequency, you see. So basically, the signal gets narrower, or the amplitude changes and so on. And we have here. This is for antennas. So basically, you can select from many different antennas here. You plug the antennas here. This one is the transmitter, this one is the receiver. So basically, the receiver stays static, and the transmitter starts rotating, and you can see that. No, this one. So this one starts rotating, you see, it's motorized, and this one stays static. And basically, it's gotta be like this. So basically, the transmitter sends the signal all the way, and you can monitor how the receiver, based on where the position of the antenna is, how the receiver will accept what's going to be the signal strength of the received signal here. So it's gotta be an antenna analyzer here, so that when this rotates, the antenna analyzer can receive basically the information, and then you can display it on the computer, and you can see basically the antenna patterns, and you can see okay, with this antenna I will receive a signal with the
This is a stone.
This separates the wheat.
Yeah.
It separates the seed from the outer side of the seed.
Да, горе-долу, горе-долу. Да, точно така.
Това са вече вторите видове. Нали, това е колесар за плуг. Тръгнало е от дървенията и стигнало до метала.
Избрахте ли там величините, които ще наблюдавате?
на монитор,
На монитор, реал-тайм 30. Избрахте ли там отпред слагане? Да, натискате и сега когато почнете, то ще почне да ви се изчертава кривата. Пуснете. Ето го. Как се изменя. А ви трябва да вземете величините от тук, и да си нанесете табличката.
In this example, the students who come from Cameroon, for example, they can be specialized
в проектирането на ветроенергийни паркове в вашата страна.
in making projects for wind energy parks in their country.
Това е цялостна също една област, където се вкарват огромни инвестиции.
This is one scientific area where a lot of investments are put.
И специалисти трябва
That is all. This was just an introduction to show you that the students here are taught seriously.
Ако искам, може да представя, да запознаем с съдържанието на целия проект.
If you would like to see the whole project, but we don't have time for that.
Че само ще довършим повече няколко време. В случая разглеждаме инвестициите и съдържанието на проект 12 години.
We are trying to
Ей,
А всі кицелі красиво.
Можна англійською.
This is the Cameron Park.
Колко нещо, което трябва да направим? Освен английски.
Eight faculty. You have yeah, faculty of law. Faculty of law.
Yes.
Transport.
Transport and martial engineers and technology and electronic and the University of Ruse started with this faculty, and after 1995 became University of Ruse.